Okay, Jack, would you like to do your whale noises for us?
I would.
And now your dolphins? Look at Jack's mouth.
Oh man, you videoed me.
Yeah. Look, Jack's got ice cream all around his mouth. It looks like a lot of
thank
shade.
you,
Yeah.
Show him Jack's whale noise.
I don't have it on this phone, I've just re-recorded it. There's Andy.
My whale noise last week was brilliant.
Andy, make a noise. This is John. John, make a noise.
That's not a noise!
Mim and Pricey, make a noise.
I was going to say make a baby.
Ali, make a noise. Dave, make a noise.
Whoa, Dave.
Whoa, Dave, fudge, whoa. What's thinking?
What the heck?
The bench. I think it's fine.
How was that made?
Dazzle, make a noise. A noise.
A noise!
Zoe, make a noise. Ruthie, make a noise. Joe, make a noise.
What kind of noise?
Any noise.
What was the noise?
A noisy noise. Matt, now it's your turn. Make a noise. I'll now make a noise. Boo.